Welcome back. The format of submitting applications online for 10th and 12th examinations needs alterations. The name slot for writing parents' name lacks space. NCP has demanded that the board should fix this problem and provide certificates with full name of the parents, especially in case of Christian community. Meanwhile, former Minister Suze Philip has slammed the government for roadblocks to his All India bicycle rally.
Appearing for the board SSC examination and higher secondary online. The slot kept for parents' name is not sufficient to fill up the full name. Basically, the Catholic community or the Christian community have multiple names. I'll tell you my own case. My own daughter had one name. My name was in between and her name was not, the middle name was not there. It took me 1 year to get that changed. For this certificate, name change, the Babladar certificate stating that this is what is the same person is not accepted.
Meanwhile, the former Minister Suze Philip has slammed the government for vindictive politics. He has decided to move for a legal action against the state government for denying permission for a bicycle race. Suze's All India bicycle race was denied permission on 1st October.
आणि 2 वर्सां आमी बायसिकल रेस आमी केल्या 2 वर्सां येयले 3ऱ्या वर्साक ते येवूय पाटी येयले पूण जेन्ना आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन परमिशन मागलें की बायसिकल रेस करपाक 19 सप्टेंबरान एक परमिशन एप्लाय केल्लें आमी इवन कलेक्टराक उलयले साऊथ गोवा कलेक्टराक उलयले आमी एवरी टायम आमकां परमिशन लास्ट डे मेवता म्हणटकच आमी एक हेजेर आसले की आमकां हें परमिशन मेवतलें फायनली नेक्स्ट डे लायक ऑन 1st सप्टेंबर आय मीन ऑक्टोबर जेन्ना हांवें ताका सांजचें विचारलें तेन्ना आमचें परमिशन तेणी डिनाय केलें रिजन दिवंक ना वॉट इज द रिजन टू डिनाय द परमिशन आयज हो हुंयचो राग काडपाक कोत्ता एका म्हाका दिसा कुणाटकाय जाली अशी की लोकल एक एम एल ए आसा तो 8 वरांचेर त्या दिसाक सायकल रेस जाता म्हणून 8 वरांचेर सेंट एंड्रू इस्कॉलाक रावन रस्तो ब्लॉक केलो हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन हेज्याकूय मुखार हांव एक पावल मारतलो हेज्या मुखार वयतलो आणि जो लिगली देखून कितें करपा जाय तें हांव लिगली करतलो.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Former India football team captain Baichung Bhutia believes Delhi Dynamos and FC Goa have the potential to win the inaugural Indian Super League. The highly anticipated IPL-style football league will kick off on Sunday in Kolkata with a match between Atletico de Kolkata and Mumbai City FC. Delhi and Goa will open their campaign subsequently with home matches against Pune City and Chennai FC respectively. Kerala Blasters and North East United are the other two outfits in the 8-team ISL.
With former Italian international forward and ex-Juventus icon Alessandro Del Piero in the squad as the marquee player, Delhi Dynamos have built a classy outfit. Amongst the other foreign recruits in their lineup, Delhi have world's tallest goalkeeper in Christophe Van Hout from Belgium. The domestic players will also form a key part of the Dynamos midfield in particular, where Goa's Francis Fernandes will get a chance to dazzle.
I heard some guys are scared about me, but it's the strength of a goalkeeper also that the strikers are scared of the goalkeeper. I remember one time I play in Belgium and I take a high ball. There was a guy, I think 1 meter 60, and he tried to jump and I take the ball, I think at least 1 meter above him. And I'm still bigger than you, right? There is a lot of ambition in this team. We have a lot of power to do something very good. Personally, I want to try to give everything for this club and for this team.
Absolutely, yes. I think for me, Delhi is the dark horses. It all depends on Francis Fernandes creating opportunities for Del Piero to score, because Del Piero can score goals for you. Also, the tie-up with Feyenoord has been fantastic because there were a lot of Dutch players and the coach is also a Dutch. So I think they're going to be a dark horse.
FC Goa has former France international and ex-Arsenal winger Robert Pires as their marquee player. The legendary 40-year-old will have a big role of guiding his teammates on the field. There is no shortage of inspiration in FC Goa outfit, which is managed by legendary Brazilian coach Zico. This is one outfit which will find it easy to gel as a team, as their domestic players are all sourced from Dempo Sports Club. That makes it easier for the coach to form a combination and slot the foreigners in specific roles. The team that gels well in quick time will be the favourite to win the inaugural ISL.
Goa, because it's a Dempo side and they've been together for a long time, and it that makes a big difference. But overall, I think for me, Delhi is going to be a dark horse.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.
to the land of the Goan. The Goan on Saturday, Goa's best weekend newsread. The voice of Goa that is heard. Redefining journalism week after week. The bold face of journalism. We dare to share.